Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to track who followed you on X with Circle Boom. First, log into Circle Boom Twitter. Then, open the left side menu and click the Followers section. From there, select Who Followed Me. After that, Circle Boom will display the accounts that recently followed you. By default, you'll see the latest followers from the last 1 day, but you can click the date filter dropdown to switch between the last 2 days, 5 days, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, several months, or even the last year. As the follower list loads, you can review detailed profile metrics like tweet count, account age, follower count, following count, follow ratio, and engagement activity levels. This helps you quickly identify active, valuable, or suspicious followers without checking profiles manually one by one. Then use the action buttons beside each account to directly follow back, remove followers, whitelist trusted accounts, blacklist unwanted users, or add selected profiles into your Twitter/X lists for future monitoring. You can also use the search bar and filter options at the top to quickly find specific followers and organize your follower management workflow more efficiently. After that, click the export button anytime to download your follower data as a CSV file for reporting, outreach, or account analysis. If you want automatic updates, click Set Up New Followers Alert. Circle Boom lets you activate email notifications weekly or monthly so you never miss new followers again. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy circle booming!